Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, and this is a reading till 10th of July. So and the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, if I'm telling this is your story, it might be your partner's story. If I'm telling this is your partner's story, it might be your story. Okay, so take it how it resonates with you. So let's start with your partner's current energy. Right now, let's see what's your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see what's your partner's current energy right now is. Pisces. Okay. Empress. I feel like if you are married to this person, they are pregnant. If she is female, obviously. Or otherwise this person is in this flirty zone of life, looking good, feeling good, and enjoying luxurious thing in their life right now. They are very flirty and light-hearted and kind-hearted, you can say, caring and loving. This is their current energy, looking good. They are working, might be on their physique, might be on their looks. They have currently changed their looks and they are feeling good, really good about it. And for some of you, for 1% of you, this person might be pregnant, or they are right now really very fertile. Might be if you guys are planning to have a kid, this is the right time. Let's clarify the Empress in the current energy. Three of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like this person right now is feeling good because you guys had a reconciliation, or they are celebrating something in their life, and they're having equal give and take of energy, and they are really very slow to approach any kind of love emotions in their life. So this person right now is celebrating life, celebrating some kind of financial offers, financial success, and right now they are really very slow, taking their sweet as time to approach any kind of love, any kind of love situation in their life. Right now they are not concerned about the love situation. Okay, and this could also mean that they are giving their time and energy to someone else as well. Right now this is also a situation that I'm seeing here, and that's why right now they are feeling happy, creative, and being acting flirty and naughty. This is a situation, light-hearted, not taking anything seriously. Okay Pisces, let's see what's your current energy. Pisces, your current energy right now. All the cards are jumping like idiots. Let me grab my cards. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, Pisces, your current energy right now is Tower. Okay, you are going through some kind of shocking phase in your life. Might be you guys broke up with each other and that's shocking for you. Might be there's a sudden realization that you realize something. There was some kind of weak foundation in this connection, and that broke up, that fall off. Okay, the walls are falling off now. This is the situation. So your long hold beliefs are challenged, and you are suddenly in a state of mind where you are feeling like, what the hell just happened? I was not prepared for this. This is the situation that you are carrying right now. Let's clarify the Tower in your current energy. Let's clarify. Tower is clarified with Tower, Ace of Swords, Sun. Okay, this is a good Tower. This is a good breakup, or this is a good thing that is happening with you right now, because after this breakup thing, after this shocking realization or shocking revelation, whatever it is, you are starting your life all over again. You are ready for a brand new beginning. You are ready for a happy beginning in your life. This is a situation. You are feeling victorious. You are feeling successful, and you are right now feeling happy, deeply happy from inside. It is not like you're trying to show somebody that you are happy, but I feel like you're really happy right now after this breakup thing, after this negativity and toxicity release. This is the thing. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Pisces. Let's see what this person feels for you. Knight of Pentacles. This person is really very slow to approach you. This is the situation. They are feeling loyal. I feel like this person is loyal towards you. Okay, although they might be flirting with somebody, although they might be spending good time with somebody, but I feel like I don't feel like they're serious about somebody, or they are in a committed relationship with somebody. I feel like this person is feeling like they should just take baby steps towards you, to approach you. Okay, they should not hurry, or they should not rush into anything. That is why this person is feeling like they should just right now take baby steps and really very slow motion. This is what they are feeling. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Eight of Swords and the Star and the Magician. Okay, so I feel like this person is deeply conflicted. This person, you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Cancerian here. So I feel like this person is deeply conflicted, and this person is not able to come out of this conflicting situation, state of mind. I feel like this person is feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail and really conflicted. Still they are hopeful. Still they are hopeful and positive. Still they are manifesting a positive result, a positive outcome with you, a positive outcome of this connection. And that is why they are very slow, because they are conflicted and they're just waiting for the right time, and they're carrying lots of positive emotions for this connection and for you. That is why they are really slow to approach you, because they are right now feeling like, okay, I should just I'm a little conflicted right now, I should come out of this conflicting energy and then I should start again, or just try again. This is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you, Pisces. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Wands. Okay, again, this person wants a brand new start with you. This person wants a kiddish energy with you, a childish energy with you. I don't feel like this person wants a commitment from you as of now. This person wants to enjoy life with you. So I feel like this person wants to start from your side. Okay, and that too not very mature, or not heavy, or not any kind of committed connection. Just a plain and simple, start or hello, hi, a communication, a movement, an action. Might be just to enjoy some kind of adventure with you. Might be they want a sexual initiation from your side. It could be like that. All they want from you up is a brand new beginning, and that too not a serious one. Let's clarify. Seven of Wands, Six of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. Now this person wants you to stop being so rude, or stop being so adamant, and they want you to participate in this connection. This is the situation. They want participation from your side. They don't want defensiveness or coldness or off situation right now. They want you to work on yourself. They want you to work on your life, work on your business, work on your job, work on your name and fame. And this person wants you to focus on yourself, be mature. This person, although they want immature energy from you, although they want brand new energy from you, they want you to be mature and accept things as they are. Okay, don't manipulate them, don't manipulate yourself, don't try to change things. Just accept the things that they how they are, and just start this connection all over again with positivity and with energy of energy of a kid. This is what they want from you. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July, Pisces. Okay, okay, calm down. Four of Pentacles. I feel like, yeah, I feel like this person wants a break from this connection. This person wants to analyze everything. That's why this person is right now controlling, trying to control their emotions, trying to hold their emotions, trying to be as much as mature and practical as possible. I feel like what is coming towards you till 10th of July, silence from their side. I don't feel like they're coming towards you and talking to you and releasing this control, and might be they are going to talk to you, might be even now you are communicating with each other, but the level is not the level is not that much deeper. Okay, and right now I feel like this person is just going to hold back, and this person will just try to control their emotions regarding this connection. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the High Priestess. Yeah, I feel like right now this person wants to hold the emotions of connecting with you again, or to start a family with you, or to start a committed relationship with you. And this person right now is leaving everything on the universe. They want to turn the tables, and they want to listen to their intuition. Okay, and listening to their intuition, they are going to be silent as fuck. Sometimes you are going to feel like they are being very very secretive, and they are not revealing the truth to you. But all that's going on behind the scene is that they just want to control their emotions, and just take their time to start this connection all over again. And they are just going to take baby steps, really very slow to approach you, but very very loyal and honest with you. This is the situation here. Okay, Pisces. So Pisces, I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight that you are looking for in this reading. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you.